Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to find creator in your Patreon account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you are already logged into your Patreon account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Patreon app. Here we go. Now you can see at the middle, find some creators with that red icon, tap on that. Now at the search bar, you can type the name of the creator you want to find out. After you are done, tap on search. Here, the names of many creators appears. Now choose the one you were searching for. In this way, you can easily find out the creator you were searching for. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.